Hey guys, it's Nate from Voltage. This is part 2 of our BTCPay Server series. In this video, we're going to go over how to connect an external on-chain wallet to your BTCPay server so you can give your customers the option to pay you in either Lightning or on-chain. If you have no interest in accepting on-chain Bitcoin, though, you can totally skip this video and stay Lightning only. All right, so to connect an on-chain wallet to your BTCPay servers to give your customers the option of selecting either Lightning or Bitcoin, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your BTCPay server dashboard. On the left side, you're going to click Bitcoin. From here, it'll say connect an existing wallet or create a new wallet. Now you'll notice if you click create a new wallet, hot wallet is not clickable. This is a voltage setting. We have hot wallet that's built into BTCPay server disabled because we have access to BTCPay server. So we do not want to have access to your money. So your keys will not be stored with us. What is recommended is connecting an existing wallet. So you can click that and you'll see there's a bunch of options here. The easiest one is to enter your extended public key. So for on-chain Bitcoin, your extended public key is where your Bitcoin addresses come from your public key. So where do you get your public key? Well, there's a couple ways. You can extract it from a hardware device, such as a cold card or a Trezor, or you can pull it from a mobile app, desktop app. In this video, I'm going to use Sparrow to do this. So on Sparrow, I'm going to hit New Wallet, type in a name, Test BTCPay, create wallet. And from here, we are going to click New or Imported Software Wallet. And then we're going to use, you can use as many words as you want. I'm going to do 12 words for simplicity. We're going to click Generate New. Please write these down. Confirm your backup. All right, you'll see it says valid checksum, and then we will create key store. Leave the derivation path as it is. Click Import Key Store. And now we will have a xPub here. But go ahead and first hit apply in the bottom right corner, and then you can add a password if you wish. Great, you'll see that there's blue everywhere here, and we have our xPub. So let's go ahead and copy that. We will go back to our BTCPay server and paste this in. Next, we will hit continue, and it'll give us a list of addresses that have been generated from that public key. And the purpose of this screen is to make 100% sure that you put in the right xPub and these addresses make sense. So let's go ahead and go back to Sparrow. We'll hit receive, and we'll notice, let's see, BC1, QP5, and then like 4 NMH. So that's what this first one should be, and it looks like it is. So that's enough for me personally, just to hit confirm, but feel free to validate the other addresses if you wish. Hit confirm, and that is it. You can add a label to this, so I can type in Sparrow hot wallet, because we do have a hot wallet on our Sparrow in this example. And we can hit save payment settings, and we can have a couple options here. We can have the invoice settled if it's unconfirmed, has at least one confirmation. I would recommend have at least one confirmation personally. You can increase the minutes here if you want. And that's it. Just hit save payment settings. And now you have a Bitcoin wallet and a Lightning node tied to your BTCPay server. All right, and that wraps up our video on how to connect an on-chain wallet to your BTCPay server. In the next video, we're actually going to make our first app. It will be an app to sell tickets to an event, so don't miss part 3.